So we're back again with these injectors, running another couple of cycles in the bath. We shall just prove that everything is all good now. So let's prime the system up. Get all the air out the system. So, first one that we had an issue with before was on the leak test. Say it's pretty clear to say that cylinder number 1, injector number 1, isn't leaking anymore. Just give it a little more pressure. We're giving the equivalent of a higher fuel pressure. Got no leaks. So I think that's safe to say that that side of it is all sorted. I'm not going to run through everything on the video here, but we shall just check out the flows on them. Sorry, the spray patterns. Just kill the light for a second. A better idea. So, cylinder number 4, injector number 4, sorry, looks like it's got a bit of an improvement. Don't know whether I would say it was 100%, but it was certainly an improvement there. See that there isn't massive puddles going off to one side. Quickly fly through a 2,500 RPM. You can see that there is still a slight number 4. Might be hard to see on the video. Looking at it, the video doesn't do it justice on its spray patterns. Looking a better focus, but safe to say, A, we've got them working when they weren't working to start with, and B, we've resolved the leak on cylinder number 1. So that's the power of having the injectors cleaned on an ASNU bench. Cheers.